Okay, so we're going to remap the controls to exclude this hotkey button. I think I have figured out why the hotkey isn't working properly on your setup, and we're going to remap the controls to exclude it. So you might have to hit the reset buttons, let it reboot so that we can get to the top level menu. From the top level menu, we're going to press the start button. Come down here to configure input, and you have to press the middle button in the bottom row, which is A for ahead. Are you sure you want to configure the input? Yes. So it's saying that it detects all of the game pads. We'll press and hold the one here on the one player side. All right, now once it's in here, every time you push something, it's going to assign whatever you push to this line item. So it says D-pad up, so I'm going to take the joystick and go up. D-pad down, take the joystick and go down. D-pad left, joystick left. D-pad right, joystick right. Start button, select button. Now here you can see the map. Imagine that this is our 4-button cluster, and then this is the LR button, like if you were holding a Super Nintendo controller. So A button is this bottom one in the center, then the B button, X, Y, L, R. Okay, so the rest of these buttons you would have on a USB controller, like if you plugged one into the front, but you're not going to have it on this setup. So we can use a different joystick to just move past these. And once we get to the very bottom, we've got hotkey enable not defined. So we need to tell it what we're going to use as the hotkey. Now, when I set this up before you receive the cabinet, I used that button that's above the player 1 button as the hotkey. What we're going to do this time is make select do double duty. We're going to assign that to be the hotkey. Okay, so now it's down here, it's highlighted on OK, and I'm going to press the middle button on the bottom, A for ahead, to tell it, yeah, we're happy with that setup. So it has now saved it, everything is in there, and it's remapped it for all of the controllers that are identical to this setup, which is each one of these places. So now I can hit the B for back, so this one over here, bottom row, left side. I'm at my top level menu, and just to give you an example, if we go here into Sega and I jump on to, say, some Primal Rage, all right, so I'm into the game. I am not good at Primal Rage, so I'm getting my tail beat by this lizard. But when I want to exit, I press the select key for the hotkey and start, but push them together. So select start.